dinner to support focus, energy, and mood focus. Welcome to the Supportive Kitchen. Today we're preparing a dinner designed to support focus, sustained energy, and balanced mood. This recipe is perfect for those evenings when you want a nourishing, restorative meal that keeps your mind sharp and your body energized. Before we begin, a quick note. This content is educational and supportive, not medical advice. If you have specific health concerns, dietary restrictions, or mood disorders, please consult a qualified healthcare professional. If this is your first time here, welcome to the Supportive Kitchen. This is a space dedicated to stress-free, restorative cooking that nourishes both your body and mind. If you enjoy mindful, energy-supportive cooking, subscribe and hit the notification bell. Join our supportive community and never miss a chance to turn your kitchen into a space for calm, focus, and nourishment. Today, we're exploring a dinner to support focus, a meal specifically designed to help you maintain energy, concentration, and balanced mood during busy evenings. If your days feel mentally exhausting or your energy dips in the evening, this recipe is crafted to help you feel alert, nourished, and satisfied without heaviness or overwhelm. This dinner focuses on ingredients that support brain function and mental clarity, balance blood sugar, keeping energy steady, and boost mood with nutrient-rich, restorative foods. By the end of this video, you'll learn which ingredients are particularly supportive for focus and mood, zero prep and quick cook strategies that save time without compromising nutrition, mindful cooking tips, including sensory cues, layering flavors, and creating a calming kitchen experience, variations and substitutions to make the recipe suit your taste, energy needs, or dietary preferences. Each ingredient in this dinner is chosen to support energy, focus, and mood while remaining easy to prepare with minimal stress. Let's go through them one by one. 1. Salmon or plant-based protein, 1 pound, fillets or cubes. Functional role provides omega-3 fatty acids, protein, and B vitamins, supporting brain function, neurotransmitter production, and sustained energy. Flavor profile: mild, rich, slightly buttery, pairs well with herbs and citrus. Zero prep hacks: use pre-portioned fillets, pre-cooked salmon, or tofu or tempeh cubes. Why it matters: protein stabilizes blood sugar and supports neurotransmitters like dopamine and serotonin, which are critical for focus and mood regulation. Salmon's omega-3s specifically enhance cognitive function and mental clarity. 2. Quinoa or brown rice, 1 cup, rinsed. Functional role: provides complex carbohydrates for steady energy release, supports focus without sugar crashes. Flavor profile: quinoa is nutty, brown rice is mild and slightly chewy. Zero prep hacks: pre-rinsed quinoa or instant brown rice saves time while maintaining nutritional benefits. Why it matters: balanced carbs support brain glucose levels, helping you maintain alertness and mental stamina through the evening. 3. Broccoli and bell peppers, 2 cups mixed, chopped. Functional role: high in vitamins C and K, antioxidants, and fiber, supporting both brain and gut health. Flavor profile: slightly sweet and earthy, crunch adds texture contrast. Zero prep hacks: use frozen mixed vegetables or pre-chopped fresh options. Why it matters: antioxidant-rich vegetables reduce oxidative stress and inflammation, which can improve focus and mood stability. The fiber helps maintain balanced blood sugar levels, preventing mental fatigue. 4. Spinach or kale, 1 cup, Chopped. Functional role. Offers magnesium, folate, and iron, crucial for energy production and cognitive function. Flavor profile. Mildly earthy, softens quickly when cooked. Zero prep hacks. Pre-washed and chopped greens make this step effortless. Frozen spinach is also a convenient option. Why it matters. Magnesium supports calm focus and reduces nervous tension. Folate and iron help with mental clarity and combating fatigue. 5. Garlic and onion. 1 small onion minced, 2 cloves garlic minced. Functional role: support immune function, circulation, and flavor depth. Flavor profile: onion is sweet savory, garlic adds a warm aromatic punch. Zero prep hacks: pre-minced garlic and chopped onions save time while keeping flavor intact. Why it matters. Beyond flavor, these aromatics have anti-inflammatory properties and stimulate blood flow, supporting mental alertness and overall well-being. 6. Olive oil or avocado oil, 2 tablespoons. Functional role: provides healthy fats, essential for hormone production and brain function. Flavor profile: mild, slightly fruity, enhances all ingredients. Zero prep hacks: pre-measured oil or a pump bottle ensures quick and easy addition. Why it matters. Healthy fats help absorb fat-soluble vitamins and stabilize energy, preventing dips in alertness or mood. 7. Herbs and spices. Rosemary, turmeric, black pepper, paprika, and salt. Functional role: add flavor, antioxidants, and anti-inflammatory support. Turmeric specifically aids cognitive support and mood balance. Flavor profile: warm, earthy, slightly savory. Zero prep hacks: use pre-mixed spice blends or jarred containers for convenience. Why it matters. Aromatic herbs stimulate the senses, reduce stress, and make the cooking process more enjoyable and restorative. Flavor variations. 1. Citrus herb boost. Add a squeeze of lemon or orange juice and fresh parsley before serving. Enhances mental alertness and adds bright, uplifting flavors. 2. Nutty and crunchy twist. Top the meal with toasted almonds, pumpkin seeds, or sunflower seeds. Adds healthy fats and protein, supporting sustained energy and mood stability. 3. Asian-inspired flavor. Swap rosemary and turmeric for ginger, garlic, and sesame oil. Add a splash of low-sodium soy sauce or tamari. This variation supports focus with cognitive-enhancing spices while keeping it fast and flavorful. Batch cooking and storage tips. Batch cooking. Double the recipe to have 3 to 4 meals ready for the week. Store in airtight containers in the fridge. Reheating. Reheat gently on the stove or as the microwave with a splash of water or broth to maintain texture. Freezing. Portion meals into freezer-safe containers, then thaw overnight in the fridge before reheating. Mindful tip. Label containers with ingredients and date for easy meal prep, reducing decision fatigue. Supportive strategies for low energy or burnout days. 1. Keep ingredients ready. Using pre-washed, pre-cut, or frozen vegetables and pre-cooked protein makes dinner effortless even on exhausted days. 2. Layer flavors slowly. Take a moment to stir and smell the ingredients. Even 10 seconds of mindful attention can reduce stress hormones and improve satisfaction. 4. Gentle portion control. On low-energy days, serve smaller portions with a side of warm herbal tea. This prevents digestive fatigue while still providing nutrients to support focus. 5. Savor the sensory experience. Notice the textures, colors, and warmth of each bite. Mindful eating helps your body absorb nutrients efficiently and maintain stable energy and mood. Step 1. Prep your ingredients mindfully. Even with pre-cut vegetables and pre-cooked protein, take a moment to notice the vibrant colors of broccoli and bell peppers, the texture and aroma of fresh spinach or kale, the subtle sheen of your olive oil. Step 2. Heat your oil. Add 2 tablespoons of olive or avocado oil to a large skillet or sauté pan over medium heat. Step 3. Sauté aromatics. Add minced onion and garlic to the oil. Stir for 2 to 3 minutes until onions are translucent and garlic is fragrant. Optional zero prep hack: use pre-minced garlic and chopped onion for faster prep without losing flavor. Step 4. Add vegetables. Add broccoli and bell peppers to the pan. Stir to coat them in the aromatics and oil. Timing: cook for 5 to 6 minutes until vegetables are tender crisp.
Step 5. Add protein. Add salmon fillets or plant-based protein. Timing: if using raw salmon, cook 4 to 5 minutes per side until opaque and flaky. If using pre-cooked or tofu, heat gently for 3 to 4 minutes. Optional variation: marinate protein lightly with lemon, paprika, or herbs before cooking to enhance flavor. Zero prep hack: pre-cooked or frozen proteins save time while still providing brain and mood-supporting nutrients. Step 6. Add grains. Add quinoa or brown rice to the skillet or pan, stirring to combine with vegetables and protein. Timing: cook for 2 to 3 minutes to integrate flavors, or reheat if using pre-cooked grains. Step 7. Add leafy greens and seasonings. Stir in spinach or kale along with rosemary, turmeric, black pepper, and a pinch of salt. Timing: cook for 3 to 4 minutes until greens are wilted but still vibrant. Step 8. Taste and adjust seasonings. Taste your dish and adjust seasonings as needed. Add a pinch of salt or pepper. Optional: squeeze lemon for brightness or drizzle olive oil for richness. Step 9. Serve mindfully. Scoop the meal into bowls or plates. Observe the colors, textures, and warmth. Before eating, take a slow breath and appreciate the effort you put into nourishing yourself. Mindful eating tip: take small bites, chew thoroughly, and focus on the flavors. Notice how your energy and mood respond to the balanced nutrients. Thank you for cooking along with me today. I hope this dinner to support focus brought you nourishment, mental clarity, and a little calm into your evening. This meal isn't just food. It's a supportive ritual for your body and mind, designed to enhance focus, stabilize energy, and boost mood. By preparing this dinner, you've supported your brain function and focus with protein, omega-3s, and B vitamins, balanced your energy and mood with complex carbs and antioxidant-rich vegetables, practiced mindful cooking, turning a simple dinner into a restorative, grounding experience, learned zero prep hacks, flavor variations, and batch cooking strategies to make nourishing meals effortless, even on busy or low energy days. If you enjoyed this recipe and the mindful, supportive approach, I invite you to subscribe to The Supportive Kitchen and hit the notification bell. Share your variations or thoughts in the comments. We love seeing how you make these meals your own. Remember, every small step in the kitchen is a step toward better energy, focus, and mood support. Treat yourself kindly, enjoy the colors, textures, and flavors, and appreciate the nourishing impact you've created. Thank you again for being here, and I look forward to cooking with you in the next video.